All right, we are vibing out here. This is Robert Dunbar with TBD Coaching and Training, and we are working with our business automation mastery, right? So what we're doing is we are helping business owners get their computers organized, guys. Like business owners are losing 2 hours a week, 2 hours a week trying to find documents that they lost after they downloaded it, information that they put in certain places, and by the time they go back to look for it, they can't find it. We want to help business owners stop doing that, even if you're just doing this at work or doing it on your own personal time with your images and videos and different things of that nature. We have to make sure that our computers are organized, just like our office or wherever we work at is organized. So we're going to be doing 2 different classes on this, and these classes are about $49 to take, and it's a 4-hour class split into 2 different days, and you will see the details to that on this landing page that you're looking at right now. And if you're looking at this video on YouTube, you'll see the information below me in the description. So again, this is Robert Dunbar. I am the lead instructor at TBD Coaching, and one of our subsidiary coaching programs is Business Automation Mastery, which is BAM. And so BAM presents organizing your computer files. And we want to make sure that you are in a position where you are not one of those business owners losing 2 hours a day looking for information that you lost in that desktop Bermuda Triangle that you're working with there. So hopefully this will be helpful to you. You'll see on this landing page, somewhere below me or above me, you'll see a way that you can click and either purchase the Wednesday class, which is going to be Wednesday the 16th of November. That's the first class for 2 hours from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern. And then the second class is going to be Wednesday the 30th of November from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern. We are skipping the 23rd because it's so close to Thanksgiving. So that's why we're doing that. Also, there's a Thursday class that'll be happening, and that starts on the 17th of November. And it's going to be from 7 to 9 p.m. as well, Eastern time. And then our second class for that other 2 hours, to make it a total of 4 hours, is going to be on Thursday, December 1st from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern time. So each class is 4 hours, split up between 2 separate days, 2 hours a day, because we don't want the information to be overwhelming, and it will be overwhelming if you get 4 hours after. So we want to make sure that our clients can really take the time to get the information, download it, start working on some different things on behalf of that training so that they can get it all in place. You're also going to be required to have some kind of external drive, whether it be an SSD disk, scan disk, whether it's a flash drive, whether it's just an external drive that may be a terabyte or 2 terabytes, because we want to make sure we can get your things not only organized, but onto a separate device so that you take all the things off your computer that you're not using on a regular basis, and make sure your computer is nice and clean, nice and organized, so that it processes faster and you're not taking up so much data and storage on your actual computer. And this is a desktop or a laptop, PC or Mac, it doesn't matter. So that's what we're going to be doing, guys, Wednesday the 16th and the 30th, or you can take the class that's Thursday the 17th and December 1st. Those classes run together. The Wednesday 2 classes are together. The Thursday 2 classes are together. Again, more details on this landing page that you're looking at this video on, or if this is YouTube video that you're looking at, below in the description, you will see it. Again, I'm Coach Dunbar with TBD Coaching and Training, and we are working through our subsidiary coaching and training program called BAM, which is Business Automation Mastery. So hopefully this is going to be helpful to you guys. Hopefully this short video will help you make a decision that this is something that you could be doing for yourself, for your business, for your computers, to make sure they're organized, bring the anxiety levels down a little bit, because you now have gotten rid of the clutter, right? Decluttering that desktop and that computer or the inside of the computer. So $49 for this course is not $49 a day. It's $49 in total for those 4 hours. So basically you're looking at about $2 an hour, which is a great opportunity. This is a group setting. I'm only allowing 10 people per class. So that Wednesday class is only going to have 10 people. The Thursday class is only for 10 people. Because it's hands-on training, we do not want it to be so many people that we can't help at one time. So it's only 20, we're only accepting 20 people for this class in the first round. So make sure you get plugged in. There are already over 10 registered for the class. So we've got less than 10 spots left. So go ahead and get yourself started. We want to make sure we've got it all sold out by Sunday, this coming Sunday. What's today? Today is the 10th. So we're talking about the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. So the 14th of November, we're going to have this thing already sold out so that we're good to go. I think it's the 13th or 14th, right? No, yes, the 9th. So I think it's going to be the 13th. So regardless to Sunday before Wednesday the 16th, we want the thing sold out. So hopefully you'll be playing a part in that. Again, this is Robert Dunbar, or what they like to call me, is Coach Dunbar, TBD Coaching and Training, right? BAM presents Organizing Your Computer Files. Look forward to seeing you there. And go ahead and enjoy the rest of the music and vibe out.